A lot of clients and trades just want to use WhatsApp. And if that's how they talk to you, Paperless meets them there. Go to communication, then WhatsApp business. Connect your WhatsApp business account and the channel your customers already use becomes part of your platform, because a WhatsApp chat is still business communication, approvals, questions, photos. Can we change the tap? If it only lives on your personal phone, it's gone the day you lose the phone and nobody else on the team can see it. Setting it up is a guided job. Head to help and support, open documentation, and there's the WhatsApp Business Integration Guide. Step by step, from creating the Meta business account through to connecting your number. Follow it once and you're live. And if WhatsApp isn't part of how you work, that's fine too. Settings, then features. Under communication, there's one switch. Flip it off and WhatsApp disappears from your portal entirely. Flip it back on whenever you're ready. Your portal, your call. Bring it into Paperless, and it's captured, visible to the right people, and sitting with the rest of your records. The convenience your clients want, with the structure your business needs. Next up, the final video, closing out a job properly.